You always program from the end backwards. Going, when you are perfect, you should be doing this. If we talk about jumping, I should be jumping like this. In order for you to be able to jump perfectly in competition, you should be able to complete these movements. Yeah? In order to be able to complete those movements perfectly, you should be able to do this. In order to be able to do this, you should have this. The knee is a hinge by which the lower limb moves on, so it shouldn't be used as a power-based joint. So there shouldn't be excessive amounts of load going through the knee. We need to keep all the load back off the knee, through the ankles and through the hips. Forward running occurs a lot at the knee. Yeah? Or the action that allows us to do forward running occurs at the knees. Think 100-meter sprinters. Yeah? So we actually heel strike in midair. I look for more the acceleration, where the acceleration breaks down to distance over time. If I load it up, if I put excessive amounts of force through the knee, then I just break the knee. It's a small joint. And then what I want to do is I want to increase horizontal power. Yeah? A lot of that comes from the knee, a lot of that comes from here. Yeah, the knee's role isn't from power, it's from movement. If I've got a climb, what I need to do is I need to build force, and I need to build mass, and I need to build speed, take into consideration the joints I'm going to be working along. Yeah, if I need to build just muscle size, bulk, I'm going to do it through the hips, and it's going to be based in kilograms, and then my peak exercise is equivalent to that. Yeah. So the knee being a normal hinge joint, yeah, it doesn't just deal in flexion extension, you have rotations, you get tibial rotations in there. And then we move into another phase where it's your plyometric type activities, but it's deep knee. Yeah? So we look at deficit deadlifts. Hip is about power, knee is about rapid movement. Hip is about power, knee is about rapid movement. Yeah? And we go to the extremes, like in a competition. I take a pole vaulter that requires rapid movement, plyometric action, which is knee, not hip. If I keep training that athlete, power-based, loaded, force, great for the hips. Hips get really, really strong. I generate lots of power, muscle gets big, the knee will eventually break down. Because the requirement of the sport is rapid movement, and what I'm doing is developing large force. I want to get stronger, I want to get more powerful, I want to generate more load. Yeah? So force.